Hello, welcome to my channel. And if this is your first time, thank you for joining us. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. All right, so today I just want to make a very short video. First and foremost, I need to address something. And like you've seen in my previous videos, many times I speak with pidgin, and this is because I was just targeting like just to people from my country, Nigeria, right? But I think I've gotten like some few emails, and people say like, oh, they like my videos and it's quite informative, but unfortunately they are not Nigerians and they do not understand pidgin English, so it is kind of very difficult for them to comprehend everything that I'm saying. So since my number one motive was to help people to do the process of traveling abroad themselves, like more of like do it yourself kind of thing, because I know how it feels like, because the information I used, where everything was from online, and a couple of some friends that I reached out to that were already abroad, right? So that was how I did that. I did not use any agent, and I did everything because I believe that everybody can do it themselves. It's just for you to follow the rules and regulations and know the right things to do. So that is why I actually started this whole video, because a lot of people were reaching out, and I can be speaking to individual people every time. So this is like my primary reason for actually starting this in the first place. And since that is my primary objective, so if other people who are not of Nigerian nationals and they also find it very helpful, I think it's just fair for them to actually use this. And for that reason, I think I would start using English to make my videos, so that other people who are not Nigerians can always benefit from this too. Because I actually went to the UK recently, and when I applied for my visa, when I tried to fill my application, I actually watched a YouTube video from the person. Is an Indian person, right? And he made the video in English language. So if it wasn't like something I could understand, I could probably like miss some things up. So I just think it's fair. So, but being a Nigerian, maybe once in a while I can actually add in like pidgin here and there. But be rest assured that I'm gonna try to make my videos going forward so that anybody, especially if you're from Africa, you can always understand me, since English language is like more of our official languages in Africa most times. Even some countries in Africa that do not speak English as their official languages, they understand English language. So I'm just gonna do that, right? So the purpose of this video is that this is October at the moment, and most times schools, especially in Europe, um, they start their first semester, usually the winter semester, between September and October. So that means the first semester has already started, right? And most times they start taking application for the next academic section at the end of first semester. So that means in February, excuse me, in February time, many schools will start calling for application for the next intake. So if you actually have the desire to actually maybe travel abroad and for your maybe for studies, usually like more of my emphasis is on master's degree, right? But that also does not exclude like maybe bachelor's too, or maybe PhD at the PhD level too. This is actually like your time to start preparing. You understand? If you have the mindset of 2025 2026 academic section, this is the best time to start planning, right? So for the fact that many schools start their call for application in January, February does not mean that you think you have a lot of time. No, you do not actually have a lot of time, especially if you live in Nigeria. This is the time for you to gather your documents if you do not have, get your transcripts, get your bachelor's degree, go authenticate your credentials, your academic credentials at the Ministry of Education and Ministry of Foreign Affairs. So I'm going to put the link to all this. You will see them popping up like on your videos. You understand how to. I've made video on how you can get your transcript or the documents you need for all your studies, and how to legalize your documents at the Ministry of Education and Ministry of Foreign Affairs. You'll see all the links like popping up in this video. So go take your time, go through this, and then get your documents ready, right? And again, going forward, like I said, I kind of like have like some few times. I will make more videos like more constantly, right? And I would make more videos because I think one of the highest questions I do get from people is that they ask me to help them look for schools. In as much as that is like actually like a very difficult thing to do for individual people, right? Because like I mentioned, there are always different factors. And I may probably not give you like the actual amount you need to get, but I'm going to try to break it more like to more specific details, right? So going forward, I'm going to review schools. I'm going to review countries like maybe immigration laws of different countries, right? And whether you can be able to move with family or not, and maybe review schools and subjects. So if you are maybe part of the people looking for schools, or you don't know where to go, you don't even know the country, or you don't know the schools, I'm going to be reviewing different type of schools, their admission requirements and everything. I'm going to even be showing like the live demonstration so you see everything yourself. And if you're cool and you find something that is within your budget, you can actually make use of that. So that's the essence of this video. I just want to tell you that if you have the intention to um, join the like maybe study for the academic section of 2025-2026, this is actually the best time for you to start practicing. So subscribe on my channel and turn on the notification bell so that when I drop videos, you will see them, right? And also send the videos to anybody you think that will benefit from that. So that's how that's why I'm making this video, right? And if you have any question and if you want any country in particular, right, you can drop the name of the country you're interested in, maybe knowing about their um, study visa related and schools and everything. Just drop it in the comment section, and I think it's going to help more to make more specific videos, right? Because without that, I'll just make general videos and stuff like that. Like, but if you are being specific to particular countries, I'm going to know that okay, this particular country is more like in demand and stuff like that. Then I'll focus on those ones because trust me, in a particular country, there are different lot of schools. So before I make videos in particular countries and videos about schools, it's gonna like take time to get to other countries of your desire place of study. So it will be very okay for you to list the countries you are more interested in, right? So that I can make look for schools in that, and you know, in those videos I will be covering their type of courses they have, the tuition fee, and other requirements from the school. So basically that's that. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in my subsequent videos. Peace.